Hi, good evening. How are you doing? Mic on है ना? Yeah. Okay. Hi. How are you doing? Uh, Today the markets closed in the green. It started with a red color. Gap down opening water because of the international markets. They were down. They were weak cues. The dollar is down. Nasdaq had a big fall yesterday. Dow was down. Actually, Dow is down a bit. September 2024 के बाद Nasdaq saw this kind of a riot. Tesla stocks were down 15%. Even Asian markets were down in the morning. So there was initially a gap down opening, but I mean, it's good that the markets recovered. There was buying. This dip was being bought. I was saying yesterday that probably the worst is over now. Consumers are and buyers are gaining confidence. They are going out and buying the dips, especially the DIIs. They have been buying otherwise also, but now again they are. And I think the retail participation is also there. Yesterday I said that when the market recovers and the volumes are down, that means that the retail investor is investing. Because जब बड़े लोग बड़ी मछलियाँ smart money, when they invest, the volumes are high. So even though the market is high, but the volumes are not that much, which means छोटे investor, छोटे निवेशक, they are buying. So anyway, this is how the markets recovered. But now volumes are coming back in some stocks, and also most of the foreign investors are now showing their confidence in the Indian market. Today, Rhythm Desai has given an interview to TV 18, CNBC, and also Nat Orton has also said that, and also Blackstone. All these big think tanks have given a thumbs up to Indian markets, and they've said that the structural story is good in India. Actually, Rhythm Desai has also said that India is one of the best emerging markets. Of course, abhi pain hai. There's a little bit of correction. The stocks are down and all that. And what he's saying that, which I have been also saying over the last many lives now, that the market is ignoring the pivot which the RBI has given, uh, you know, for the middle class, for basically consumption, for boosting consumption, and also liquidity push, which the RBI has been doing. So market is kind of ignoring it and looking at Trump and all that, and US markets. All that bandwagon which was pull out money from the emerging markets and invest in the US markets. Now they are kind of thinking what is happening, because US markets have peaked, and the dollar has also peaked. I think dollar was today 102, 103, 103 pita. So it's like, so now people are realizing, oh, we have to stagger, we should stagger. So probably that is why money is now not only coming here, but also Japan, China, and of course Vietnam is also there. So it's like gradually it's like you know realization is settling in that you have to not only get into US, and of course US economy is itself facing the heat of all these tariffs and tariff threats and all that. So you can't be you know this is my country and I make America great again, and that's nice, but you can't go around and threaten others that I'll put tariffs and all, and um that's not the way you should be. Anyway, like, he's the president of a country, so he might be knowing more than me, but the markets are showing that US market is actually anxious that what will happen tomorrow because of Mr. Trump. Okay, so this is the Magnificent Seven fell yesterday. They kind of stumbled yesterday. So अब और बचा क्या है अभी? Our supply chain disruptions हो सकते हैं because of these tariff threats. So what he's trying to do, I can't understand. Many experts believe that this term of his, he's not focusing so much on the markets like in the last term he was focusing on. But actually, that doesn't mean that you shake up the system. And so much of money is being wiped out in a single day. Tesla has faced a lot of loss, and actually, uska is like because of the demand going down. It's not only the market correction. The reason Tesla stocks fell, it was also because the demand has gone down for Tesla. तो जो लोग घबरा रहे थे कि टेस्ला इंडिया आ रहा है, सो वो क्या होगा, व्हेन ऑल द ऑटो स्टॉक्स फेल दैट डे, आई मीन वो अपना वहाँ तो संभाल ले, फिर यहाँ पे व्हाटएवर. So anyway, I was watching this interview of Elon Musk with the Fox News. He was looking worried, and he was was saying that he was also X also saw downturns yesterday. I think मेरा तो X आज down हुआ, कल नहीं हुआ था, आज हुआ. I was not able to tweet today. Okay, so this was the placement of things in the morning today, but gradually the market recovered, and of course Bank Nifty was down because of IndusInd जो गिरा है आज. My God, you know these regulatory things and all that. Companies and especially banks should be very very particular. In staying upfront and transparent about their uh, you know uh, operations and all that, their balance sheets and all that. So IndusInd Bank की गलती है इसमें. I will not say that this is some kind of whatever misunderstanding or something. Anyway, उसकी वजह से Bank Nifty fell, and that kind of dragged down the markets. So what did well that the markets went up well? HDFC Bank held up. Three stocks are important to do well if the market has to be pulled up. One is RIL, one is HDFC Bank, and the third one is ICICI Bank. And these three stocks do actually RIL and HDFC Bank. सबसे ज़्यादा HDFC Bank. Because weightage जो है वो ज़्यादा है. So when these do well, the markets do well. But otherwise, sector-wise, yes, the Bank Nifty was down. Today, 22,500 is held up. I'm glad. That is kind of, so are we insulated from the world market? We are not. But yes, like we have been resilient for the last 2-3 years, despite of the global markets and global slowdown. And in any case, let's see, there are 2-3 factors why Indian market stands out. And this is not, हवा में बात है या, I am looking at the greener side of the story, and I'm not looking at the real picture. ऐसा नहीं है. See, anyone, even my critics can agree, it's not wrong. One, there has been a liquidity big push by the RBI. Second, there has been an income tax cut. No one can deny it. Of course, I said this on the day of the budget also, and also the next day, and all the consecutive lives, that एकदम से ही उसका इफेक्ट नहीं आ जाएगा. आज कट हुआ और आज आ गया, ऐसा नहीं. आप सैलरी तो अभी मिली है मार्च वाला. Okay, so it's like, so it will take some time to show in. These are the two things. Then dollar is down, then crude is down. Okay, there's so many reasons, and there is a slowdown in the China CPI. China consumption is down. There's so many factors, which is why India market is a bright spot. And this now others are also saying, Jim Rogers ho, chahe wo Chris Wood ho, chahe wo Jim Walker ho, and now you have this Rhythm Desai and BlackRock, Investec, PMS, and also you have Rhythm Desai of Morgan Stanley. All these people are now saying that Indian markets are. So I hope that the investors listen to this, and the money starts coming. Otherwise, there's no major reason that for the markets to correct. Okay. If I look at now let's Bitcoin was also down. It went below $80,000. Dollar, I already said, hold on. Brent is thankfully down at $69 per barrel, and Japan was down in the morning, and also Asian markets were basically down in the market. So US exceptionalism is now ending. Most probably people agree with that. And also someone has written a very big, God's mission is only fruitful, and all that. Okay, and also diversification is the key. This also I have said. Okay, and Fed, as a result of this, Federal Reserve may not cut rates. So this is likely to happen. So what you have to track tomorrow, there is a lot of things that we have to track. This will come today in the night, which is February mutual fund data, Indian macro data. This will come today. Okay, today in the evening or tomorrow. IIP and CPI figures. Okay, these can impact the markets. PFC board will be needing to raise resources. So PFC stocks, PFC का, as I was talking about PFC yesterday, उसका नया target भी है around 420 के आसपास है by brokerages. Okay, then we have to see. There is this OPEC meeting monthly report tomorrow, which will come tomorrow. These are the things which we have to watch tomorrow, wherein which can impact the market. Global economic data, US CPI, federal budget, US tariffs. Again, tariffs तो news में बनाई हुआ है. Okay, so now these are the things which we have to watch tomorrow. Okay, today's gainers, top gainers were Indigene, which was up 14%. Now I talk about top gainers. अच्छा, top gainers सबको मालूम होते हैं by the end of the market. Okay, they are there. But the top gainers which I talk about are gainers which gained in double digit, 19, 20, 14 ऐसे percent. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to know the normal top gainers of the so-called good stocks, अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं क्लास में, उनमें wait, Nifty closed at 22,497 and Sensex closed at 74,102. Okay, so Trent was up today 4%, BPCL was up 3%, Sun Pharma, as I have spoken about Sun, see, yesterday Sun Pharma was up, and I think we analyzed Sun Pharma. See, my main thing was yesterday, if you watched my live, if you not have, please go and watch. Please, we should not ignore the good stocks in this, all this, confusions. This is an opportunity to buy. All this buying, where is it happening? It's happening in the good stocks. In stocks like which we know, which are boring if I talk about them. Sun Pharma, ICICI Bank, Shriram Finance. These were the top gainers today. If I go in detail, if you see, this is what I was saying yesterday. We get confused about अच्छा ये हुआ वो हुआ, market red है, ये है वो है, उस चक्कर में we lose sight of what we can buy at this time. Okay, भारती एयरटेल का भी स्टारलिंक के साथ कुछ वो हुआ है. Okay, agreement है. So for the internet thing, अभी Tries has to intervene and give the rules, set the rules and regulations. Hero Motocorp was up, Bharat Electronics, HDFC Life, ONGC, Bajaj Auto, Grasim. This buying is happening in these good stocks. We lose sight of all this. Adani Enterprises, Hindalco, Reliance, Kotak Mahindra, Titan, Larsen. I can just go on. Maruti. So these are all Sensex, Nifty stocks. Asian Paints, ITC, Tata Consumer, and TPC, Nestle. Okay, the stocks which I like, which are not in these upfront stocks. Indigene was up 14%, Tata Communication 9%, Bharti Hexa 8.5%, Chennai Petro 7.4%, Paytm 7.23%. Okay, yesterday I said I'll talk about Shakti pumps today. Okay, I ran a poll where I gave an option that would you buy Vinti Organics or Shakti pumps. So Shakti pumps has won. Anyway, only 3 people voted in the poll. Okay, but Shakti Pumps is a good stock. I said, if you look at the chart, it is just one way. And कहाँ से कहाँ आया है? So 18 rupees in 2021. It is today. It has closed down a little bit. 888 पे बंद हुआ है आज, 2.6% down. This is it's if you don't know about the company, it's engaged in the manufacturing of pumps and motors of various kinds. It also offers advanced water pumping solutions. Such as irrigation, horticulture, domestic water supply, commercial. It's a basically pump, नाम से pump company है ये. Okay, PM ने एक कुसुम योजना शुरू की थी. उसका this is the PM कुसुम था या किसान था? Related to this PM Kusum scheme, this is the largest beneficiary of that scheme. This has I think around 85% of the 85%. No, sorry, 25% of the market share. Having installed 1,14,900 solar pumps across Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, UP, MP, Maharashtra. And revenue from government projects has grown at a CAGR of 67% over the 5 years ending FY24. This is why this stock has just, I think, स्पेस में चला गया ये सीलिंग पे क्या बोलूं तोड़ा इसने. Its exports have also, I mean, I missed this rally. When it from 18 to it went to 200 rupees, I thought, okay, let it correct. It never corrected. Then I got 300, okay, let it correct. Then now I can't buy this stock. It's also part of International Solar Alliance, which has an aggregate demand of 270,000 solar pumps across 22 countries. It exports to Asia 34%, Africa 21%, Middle East 21%, USA 17%, rest of the world 7%. Okay, if we look at the financials of the company, it has a market capitalization of 10,630 crore rupees. Stock P is 27. Today, this stock was down today. Okay, it is not one of the top gainers. Okay, the stock was down today. बट खरीदना तभी चाहिए जब वो डाउन हो स्टॉक. कभी भी जब चाह रहा है ऊपर तब नहीं खरीदना चाहिए. ROC of the company is 31.4% and its earning per share is 32 rupees. If I look at I said already the chart is it's an unbelievable chart. Last year it was around 193 rupees on 13th March exactly. See where it is. Despite the correction, despite the falls and all that, this stock actually never fell. No. जो गजब का correction हुआ, this stock was going up, and this has volume. Okay. So, if I look at the peer comparison, then the ROC of the company is around 31 something. Na? So, Kirloskar Brothers have 27% of ROC, KSB 23%, and Roto Pumps has. So, this has the best ROC amongst its peers. Quarterly results, operating margin has gone up from 149 crores to 154 crore rupees, or actually 154 crores in December 2024 was the highest operating profit for this company. Net profit is also going one way up from 101 crores to 104 crores in the December quarter. अभी fourth quarter देखेंगे, उसका भी अच्छा ही लग रहा है मुझे तो. They have a good balance sheet. EPS is also up. Earning per share in rupees 8 rupees था पहले, 8 rupees 40 पैसा था, 8 rupees 66 पैसा है, but this has also consecutively grown. EPS has grown. Whosoever has bought Shakti Pumps is rich by now. Okay, year on year, if I look at the net profit has gone up from 142 crore rupees to 388 crore rupees. This is TTM. And year on year also, the EPS has gone up from 11 rupees to 32 rupees. Okay. Return on equity is 17% for 3 years. Last year it was 24%. I think I should buy this stock. I don't have this stock. Okay. And the cash flows of the company are decent. They are good, in fact. Cash from operating activities has also gone up from 39 crore rupees to 54 crore rupees. Cash from investing activity is down. But cash from financing activity is up. Actually, up नहीं, triple हो गया है. Okay. And if I look at the shareholding pattern, then promoters have 51.57% of the stake in the company, FIIs have 3.16% of the stake in the company, and public has 39.9%, 40%. If public is intelligent, they bought. Okay, so this is a good company, and with the push to the agriculture sector, rural sector, and all that, this company will gain. In any way, I mean, we are an agriculture economy still, so this, I mean, I can't say much about this. This is a very good stock. Okay. And the other thing that I wanted to talk about was tomorrow Bharati Airtel can be in focus because of its this tie up with Starlink, Elon Musk's, and Elon Musk की खुद की हालत अभी खराब है. Tesla is down ruthlessly, and US stock market lost $4 trillion in value. Okay, so I think Donald Trump would be thinking, has to rethink. There would be advisors around him who will advise him. See, when the world market was going up, we were going down. Now the world market is going down. We should not go down. I mean, but we are not insulated. But yes, there are so many these things which are in our favor. Dollar coming down, uh, crude coming down, and all that. And plus, our own inflation has come down. The GDP figures are better. They are likely to improve. It was up 6.2 आया था. So it is likely to go up to 6.5, which is expected. And then later on in FY27, even 6.7 has been. I think Crystal gave this data. So this is a reliable data. I'm not making it up. Okay. Okay. The stocks in focus are. This is a new segment which I'm doing now from now on. But these are not recommendations by any way. Please consult your advisor before buying any stock. These are Keynes Tech, Dixon, Amber Enterprises. Yesterday Dixon was down. Today it was again up. A minute, I'll just see where it closed. I have Dixon, so I'm interested. 13,299 पे बंद हुआ. 1.2% up. Dixon has new deals. They are now, I think, getting into. I think ये तो पुरानी खबर है कि they are getting into making washing machines and all that, but they got a new deal of making screens and all that, LED screens and all that. Okay, Amber Enterprises, Sirma SGS. Why they are in focus? Because these tariff wars are likely to benefit these companies. Yesterday I also spoke about Vinati Organics. That is also likely to benefit from tariff war in some way. Okay, matlab not in every way. These are the stocks which are likely to benefit from the tariff wars. Okay, and there are more. Yeah, Godrej Properties. Okay, today real estate stocks were again doing well, but Godrej Property is the top pick amongst these real estate stocks. Okay, so these are the stocks which are in focus. I'll every day tell some stocks which are in focus, looking at everything, be it the international scenario, be it the Indian scenario, anything and everything. There are some stocks which are always in focus. Okay, I'll tell you the reason also why they are in focus. But yes, they are not a recommendation for buying or something. I'm not authorized to do that. Okay, so फिर मुझे सेबी से नोटिस आएंगे कि वो आपने वो एक एग्जाम में नहीं दे पाई. I just could not prepare for it. I have books with me, but I could not prepare for it. I was so tied up. So I'll give that exam again. 2 exams I gave and I cleared. Okay. So anyway, so certified financial वाला नहीं कर पाई मैं. ठीक है. So I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'll do this live again tomorrow. We'll talk about the market, and yes, you can definitely ask something if you want to ask. You can put in the description below. Yes, subscribe to the channel, follow the channel, click the bell icon so that you know when I'm doing the live. And also, yes, watch the lives, share them, and believe in the India story. Even when the world is down, I believe in the India story, and now even others are believing in the India story. I named who are they. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, and let's hope tomorrow the market opens in the green again, and we go on to 22,700, 22,700, 22,750. When that level is broken, we are back. Officially, we are there. It's like there. But then we are back, properly back. Okay, so good night, take care of yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.